Hello, in front of me I've got Dark Project 1. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyboard shortcuts. In order to activate keyboard shortcuts, you have to press functional button and buttons from F1 to F12. Also, Windows, Pause, Home, Print Screen and Delete buttons and arrows buttons have their own function. Let's start with F1. F1 activates media player. F2 decreases volume and F3 increases volume. F4 mutes the PC. F5 is stop, 6 previous, 7 play pause, 8 forward. F9 enters email app. F10 going to home screen or entering browser. F11 enters the calculator. F12 enter search engine. Now Fn plus escape disables backlight. Fn plus arrow up down, light up, light down. Fn plus arrow left right, speed of the backlight. Fn plus pause, custom backlight recording. Fn plus home, switch main screen backlight colors, Fn plus print screen, lighting effect switch, Fn plus delete for 3 seconds, restore factory defaults. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.